Good day to all. So myself, Dr. Shankar from Promain Research Academy. From today, we are starting a new series that is called Think, Design and Execute. So in majority of the cases, the students doesn't know how to take the societal relevant projects for their undergraduate degree programs. So from this week onwards, we are going to give some problems, societal problems. They can either take it as their UG projects or a mini projects. So weekly once, we are going to define some problem and provide some methodology how to execute that. Okay. So today, just we are going to see a problem, new problem that normally in national highways the drivers are facing. So the statement is improving safety measures on national highways during service works. So recently, just I read a news that a tragic accident occurred on a national highway due to inadequate signaling during service works, which means that a car driver, just unaware of the ongoing service works, brakes suddenly upon noticing a signboard. It's too late and causes the backside bus to collide over this car and another car. This results with the loss of 3 lives and 3% dead in the accident. That means I will define the problem once again. So normally we will travel in the national highways, maybe 6 lane or 3 lane or 4 lane. So just routinely they will do some service works. So normally what they will do is they will keep like this. You can see this photograph. They will keep like this in between, and they will start doing their service works. So normally in 3 lanes, if the car is coming, if the 1 lane is suddenly closed, the car is coming or the vehicle coming in the 3rd lane, maybe the driver sometimes they can notice that sometimes the driver comes behind the first car, can't able to notice that. So what they will do is they will suddenly apply the brakes, but the problem is the vehicles coming backside of the car, they cannot be able to identify the problem and the collision occurs. So this is the problem normally facing everywhere. So as a student, you can think how to improve the safety measures if there is any service work. You can take up this as a problem or a project and you can go up with some methodology and you can find some solution for this project. N number of students project can take this similar problem and come up with a solution. Okay, so there is an urgent need for improved safety measures and better communications to the drivers about road conditions and service work. Even though they are placing some notice boards or maybe some 1 kilometer before that, it is very tough to read by the drivers because they will come by minimum 80 km per hour to 100 km per hour. They cannot be able to notice the signboards. So suddenly there is any just highway there is a blockage or some problem, they would not be able to identify. So this type of accidents normally occurs. So you take this as a problem. The objective of this problem is you need to define or you need to design and propose an effective engineering solutions which should enhance safety on national highways during service works, preventing such accidents in the future. You can take this as a problem. This is the problem objective and you can come up with a solution. So what are the tasks you need to perform? If you are a student, step by step, what you want to do is first you want to do the problem identification. You know what is the current signaling and warning systems they are using during the service works. First, you make a survey and you compare what are the existing signaling works. And second, do some literature works. What are the facilities available, papers available, or patents available to ensure the safety during service works. And then you combine this and you come up with some innovative solutions to improve visibility and advanced warning system for the drivers. And then you can go for a prototype development and test its effectiveness, finally implement and plan for the proposed solutions. So this is a one such problem. As a series once we are giving to these students, they can solve this problem and they can submit as a research work. So subscribe this Shankar Promain Research Academy YouTube channel to get more related videos. We are planning from our academy, we are planning to give weekly once a problem statement will be released. The interested students, they can take up this type of problems, society problems, and they can solve and they can submit for their undergraduate projects. Thank you. Thanks for watching.